Hello everyone, today we will learn that how to plot a potential and position graph from a given potential function. Here your potential function will be like v is equal to vx, means it will be a function of x. To plot such type of graph you have to note some points. The first point is that put the fx or vx equal to 0, and from here find the points, means you have to find the x values. The second point is that differentiate the function with respect to x and then put it equal to 0, and then again find the value of x. The third point is that you have to find maximum and minimum at the points which you have obtained in step 2. Means you have to find here d2v over dx2, and then you have to check that it is positive or negative. Accordingly your function will be minimum or maximum. In the fourth step you have to connect the point obtained in step 1 and by making appropriate maximum and minimum. The next step is, if maximum and vx or fx is equal to 0 coincide, then you have to make the graph as, means it will be a reverse u-shaped graph, and here u-shaped curve will touch the x line. Okay, now your first problem is your vx is given as minus x square by 2 plus x to the power 4 by 4. Now you have to plot a graph between vx and x. So your first step is that you will put vx is equal to 0. When you put vx equal to 0, then it comes out to be that your values are x equal to 0 and x equal to plus minus root 2. Right, now you will find dv over dx. It is also equal to v dash x, so it comes out to be minus x plus x cube. Now you will put this value equal to 0, so your points now x equal to 0 and x equal to plus minus 1. Now you have to find here d2v over dx2, right? So your d2v over dx2, first at x equal to 0 we will check, and it comes out to be negative. So x equal to 0 will give you a maximum point, and when you put x equal to plus minus 1, then it comes out to be positive, so it will be a minimum point, right? Now we will plot the graph. Here you have to also note that when you write x equal to 0, you obtain maximum. Okay, so in the given function, what was your vx, you put the value of x equal to 0 and find the result. Okay, you have to make the point where what will be your vx in result form, right? Similarly, when you write x equal to plus minus 1, then your v double dash x comes out to be positive, so it will be a minimum point. So in the given function vx, you put x equal to plus minus 1, and what values you obtain of vx, you select those points in the vx position graph, right? Now your graph will be like this. On the y-axis I have selected the vx, on the x-axis I have selected the x values. So in the first case your values was x equal to 0 and x equal to plus minus root 2. So our graph will be plotted between these values. Here it is x equal to plus root 2, and it is x equal to minus root 2, right? And this value is x equal to 0. When your x equal to 0, you see that your Vx is 0. That means but at x equal to 0, you see that you obtain a maximum. So you see that your graph here at x equal to 0 will have the reverse U shape, because here Vx is 0, so it will lie on the x line, right? Now next value is x equal to plus root 2, so you select a point here, and the next value is x equal to minus root 2, so you select a point here. Now you have obtained for x equal to plus minus 1 minimum values, right? So for minimum, whatever was your Vx, okay, you put x equal to plus minus 1 in this function, and whatever the value of your Vx, you mark those points on the Vx x graph. Means if you see what was your Vx earlier, it was equal to minus x square by 2. It was equal to Vx equal to minus x square by 2 plus x to the power 4 by 4. So when you put x equal to plus minus 1 here, you found that it comes out to be minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, so it comes out to be minus 1 by 4. So on the Vx graph, your value will be minus 1 by 4 here, okay? So you have to make the points minus 1 by 4 in third quadrant and in the fourth quadrant, okay? Now you connect the points. This is your minus root 2 and this is your minus 1. Here you are getting the minimum, so it will have the U shape here, and here you are also getting a minimum for x equal to plus 1, so it will have at this point your graph will have U shape. So now you connect these points, okay, and your graph will be like this. You have to also note that if your V minus x is equal to Vx, then your graph will be symmetrical, or it will be a mirror image. On the left side is equal to the right side, right? Here you can see that here whatever the value you put in Vx equal to minus x square by 2 plus x to the power 4 by 4, if you put here minus x, then it comes out to be the same function. So it is a symmetrical function, and your graph will also be a symmetrical graph. Now I have given some problems in which you have to plot a curve between Vx and x. So your question number 2 is, it is an important question. Question number 3 is Vx is equal to 1 by 4 x square minus 2 whole square. Here you have to plot a curve between Vx and x. And the fourth problem is, it is a very important problem, and it has come many times in NET and IIT JAM examination. Here Vx is equal to alpha by 3 x cube plus beta by 4 x to the power 4. Here you have to find time period of oscillation, right? And the fifth problem is Vx is equal to minus a x upon L whole square plus b x upon L to the power 4. Now here you have to find linear frequency and time period. Okay, for linear frequency you have to use the formula omega is equal to 2 pi f. Then you will find f is equal to omega upon 2 pi. You know that how you can find omega from my earlier videos. Okay, thank you.